Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll tell you how to make this pouch with only such a things that you already have at your home. So let's get started. So for making this, if you have a zip, so you can use that, or when you buy these namkeen packets or biscuit packets, so this have a seal. So I have cut these seals from it. I have 3 seals. Okay, so you can use this also, and you have to use Fevicol or Fevistick or Fevibond, and even you can use hot glue gun. Okay, a plastic wrap, see, like this plastic things, a plastic cover only you can use, and some decorative items, and some yarn or wool for decoration. So let's start the method. So guys, then this pocket is coming here, this pocket, then we'll cut that using the scissors. Okay, so we'll cut these pockets using the scissors so that it get the open surface. So see, I'll cut it like this. So okay, or if you don't want to do with the scissors, you all right, just steer it like this. Just hold it from here and just stretch it. So see, it will get a good surface and it will be flat enough. Or if you have a bundle of this one plastic, you can use that even. So guys, now take your plastic cover and just a scale and then mark the measurements. I am taking one measurement of, you can take by your own even, but if you want to take by my measurements, you can like that even. So I am taking 12 centimeter. I am taking 12 centimeter, one measurement of this. Okay, so 12, 13, 14, that's your wish. How much great pouch you need. So you can take even 14, 12, 13, it's up to you guys. Now after marking the measurements, just mark it straight away. Straight from here and from the second point. And now just cut like this. Now just make these 2 points and just cut them. Okay, so now double fold it and just press it a little so that it get a good way. And now just take a scissor and just cut it. Like this, just cut it so that it get a good surface. But the cut should be of same size. So I cut this like this, so it will be like this. It's up to you that you take the greater side and the length, the height and the width of that. It's up to you guys. Okay. And now I have cut these into 2 equal parts. And now what will I do? Now I'll take this Ziploc. If your plastic wrap, if your plastic cover is bigger and your Ziploc is smaller, never mind, I'll tell you the way how to stick that even in the smaller to the greater way. So let's start. Now I'm waiting for my hot glue gun to get hot. Okay, so my hot glue gun is hot now. What will I do, guys? I'll take my hot glue gun. I'll take this Ziploc. I'll just open it a bit so that it will be more easier. It will be more easier to me so that I can perform anything. So I'll open it like this. Okay. And now I'll just open it into 2 parts. It has 2 parts now, so I'll open it first. And then from here to here, I'll just put the hot glue gun and secure it. So just I'll put it like this. It has 2 middle parts. It has 2 equal parts that have no surface. Okay, so just I'll put this hot glue gun from the extra curvature, from the extra part, and just stick it. That will be easier for me for making a good pouch. Okay, then what to do? Now we are left with this space without any ziplock. So just try secure it using hot glue gun. Okay, don't forget to ziplock it from the sides even. And now just press it. Okay, now from here even the same steps, and now just press it. See, our pouch is ready, but it's not looking good from these sides. So we'll secure it also. So now what we'll be doing, see, it has a good ziplock purpose. And now I'll be taking my decorative material, my yarns. Okay, and now we'll be needing some Fevicol even. So now just take your ziplock bag, and now I am finding some decorative material from my box. Okay, so I can use a pom-pom even. See, it can be the zip part. Okay, and you can use some stones and all even. Then I'll take the yarn and the pouch, and I'll just rotate this yarn towards the pouch for getting the good length and for getting a good texture and for a good design even. Okay, so just I'll rotate it like this and just make a good one. So see, I made this loop, and just now I'll insert it in it for a good sequence. So see, it's great and must have a good surface. And now what will I be doing? I'll just separating it into two parts because then it will be of both. Okay, so I'll just cutting it from the middle so that it get two surface, and see, it's here also and here also. So I'll just cut this from here and secure it using the hot glue gun like this. Okay, so it is secured here. Now just I'll put the hot glue gun like this, and just then paste our glue. Okay, then same step here also. Just I'll put my hot glue gun fast, and then I'll just paste my wool here. So that will give it a good shimmer and a good style even. Now our both are done, and now what this side is left, it's not fair. Now I'll tell you this way also. You can decorate it from a decorative item even. Okay. We'll be again making this type of loop like this, and just then hot glue gun it. Then just put the hot glue gun from here to here, just fast, and paste this loop. If it's greater, never mind. We'll just cut it or let it like this. It will look good. And now just from back I'll do anything. Just now I'll just hot glue it and just secure the ends. Okay, now just secure the ends so that our hot glue is very secured. Okay, now like this from here even I'll be doing, just take these loops and just paste it. And then I'll put a hot glue gun here at the ends even, so that it get a good surface. Okay, so friends, I have cut 2 strings of felt paper, and I'll just put the hot glue gun here, and I'll paste it so that it looks good, not messy from back. Okay, so like this, it's extra, so I'll just cut it. Okay, I'll just paste it. And same step at the sides even. Put the hot glue gun, put this sheet, put the felt strip, and same at. तो मैं देखिए यहाँ पे अब फ्लावर्स ऐड कर रही हूँ, तो अब मैं इसके बीच में जो ऐसा पार्ट है इसमें हॉट ग्लू गन लगा के और इसमें एक स्टोन ऐड कर दूँगी, ताकि देखिए कितना सुंदर लगे। देखिए बैक से भी अच्छा लग रहा है, और देखिए यहाँ से भी कुछ ये देखिए कितना प्यारा लग रहा है हमारा पाउच। और ये फिर मेरे पास एक स्टोन भी पड़ा था, तो मैं इसके पीछे से हॉट ग्लू करके और इसे फिर ये नीचे की तरफ यहाँ पे पेस्ट कर दूँगी। देखिए हमारा पाउच कितना सुंदर लग रहा है। अब हम इसके अंदर देखिए कुछ भी रख सकते हैं, हमारा स्कूल सप्लाईज, टेप्स, कुछ भी, जैसे आप स्कूल ले जाना हो तो आप इसे इवनली ले जा सकते हो। तो देखिए कितना अच्छा लग रहा है ना। So see, our pouch is ready. It is looking very blossom and so good. See, it has the flowers, some stones, and see from back also it is looking. See, from front and from back it's giving a very good shimmer. So buy and enjoy by making this pouch. And see, if you want to make the star one, you have to like, see, I have taken two now. I have taken one only, so you have to take 2 sheets and just 4 stars. If you like please subscribe and tell which one you like. And if you like this one, so I'll show the video. If you like this one even, so I'll upload a video even for this. Goodbye and enjoy.